you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? If you say that you are mine, I'll be here till the end of time. So you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? It's always stays. You're happy when I'm on my knees. One day is fine, the next is black. So if you want me off your back, well come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? If I go there will be trouble, and if I stay it will be trouble. So come on and let me know. These indecisions don't come me. If you don't want me, set me free. Exactly whom I'm supposed to be. Don't you know it's 'cause even fed me.
That's not funny, Proctor.
No, sir.